So friends, it has been 4 days since Costco, 4 days out of the 3 to 5 business days Costco quoted us on receiving the tire. I called earlier and the guy I initially talked to did not work today, and the guy I got on the phone today acted like he didn't see like any order in the system, but then also said that he still could have ordered the tire. So I don't know. We're gonna stay one more day here at Pruitt Reservoir, and then I think we've decided no matter what, tomorrow we're gonna head out. Hopefully they get the tire. That's the end of the 5-day business window. If not, we're just gonna kind of limp on along because we've already wasted almost a week waiting. So
when we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.
it's a Naka. Today it's pretty hot. It's 92 degrees. Hottest it's been since we've been here, I believe. I busted out the awning since we're not going to be leaving today, and the weather forecast is good. I'm going to try to patch up this hole you see. Yes, this is a brand new awning. This happened the first time setting it up, and I also broke a pole in half that I'm going to try to rig up. And what I've done here, I grabbed that duct tape and I sticked it to one side and tried to lay it flat without any ridges. So I just did like the bottom side first, and then I tried to make like a little lip over from the tear so that when I apply this stuff, it doesn't stick to this duct tape on the bottom. Picking this up as I go along, all I really read that people do is use the caulking, and this is kind of like my favorite sealant. One of them, well, I would usually use 3M, but I'm positive this is about on the same level, so. Now, since I don't carry plastic gloves or anything, I'm just going to take a piece of tape and kind of use it to smooth out this edge, make it thinner, that way it's a little more flexible. The rest of the day we just chilled out because it was so hot and didn't catch any more video. Good morning, everyone.
We're leaving today.
Today we're done. We're tired of waiting.
We're leaving today. We're leaving Pruitt Reservoir.
I think I talked about it a little bit yesterday with the whole Costco situation, so we haven't heard anything back yet. Obviously, we're gonna head out pretty soon, and we'll be there or in the area. We'll call around 10:30 and get an idea of what's going on and keep you guys posted.
Yeah, but today we're gonna do Trail Ridge Road, and we're gonna be camping somewhere new. And after that, we're gonna be camping somewhere else new. So I'm excited. We'll see you guys on the road.
Hey, also, these things are pretty cool. We found them at Walmart. It's little concentrated bleach tablets. So I broke one up and I put like, this is gross. I'm not gonna go into super detail, but I broke one up and we're cleaning our, the part of our toilet that holds our pee. So it's pretty handy. I mean, little tablets. I wonder how good they actually work. I used it in our gray water tank yesterday to clean it out, and don't worry, dumping it into the vault toilet here, so it's not just dumping bleach onto the
We love
water.
the environment, guys.
Into the reservoir. Here you kitties go.
Oh my god.
I just put a little in mine. I don't know how much you want. Just a little side. You probably we'll do that.
All right, we'll see you on the road, pals.
I was just saying, we had called yesterday, but I know you weren't in, and then the guy I talked to sounded like he didn't really know what was going on, so.
Yeah, because it wasn't in the system because you didn't have your membership card.
Yeah.
So that's why we didn't have it in our special order system, because I had it written down a note that I had.
I got you.
Yeah, I'm still waiting for that tire, but I'm thinking that I'm just going to have to adjust that for your tires for you, because that tire was supposed to come from another building.
Since we had driven over 3,000 miles with no problems out of the damaged tire, and we have a spare tire, we decided to just keep on going.
This dude's hauling a plane.
Oh, the wings are behind it though.
That's crazy.
That is crazy. We're about to, let's go meet him.
No.
We're hauling our home. Is that your home?
Is that you live in a plane?
Do you live in a plane?
Are you excited?
I am excited. I'm excited to see Trail Ridge Road.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm doing good. How about yourself? We don't have a reservation. Can we get one here, or?
So from 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. we have to have a time reaching permit to enter the car. And we're all sold out till Monday. So If you want to come in today, you have to come in after 5 p.m.
Okay.
5 you don't-
Wait, it's currently 3:45, and we're gonna have to wait like an hour and 15 minutes before we can go in, which is fine, I guess. But
I mean, it's gonna have to be.
it's gonna have to be. We don't really have much of a choice. So I don't know what to do or where to pull off at, or like
I know.
I don't know. I mean,
I guess we can just like look for the next pull off and just kind of chill.
So now we're chilling on the side of the road, making some bean dip to have for early dinner because we're gonna get to camp pretty late because of this little delay. But we let the dogs out to potty, and now Joey's just cleaning up the mess he made. Right, babe?
Yeah, the mess I made cooking for you.
Yep. But we have like a decent view. I mean, it's not horrible. You know what I mean? Look at that. See there?
I mean, scenario could definitely be worse.
Oh yeah, scenario could definitely be worse. What do you think,
We
Sydney?
could be at Cletus's house.
What's your input? Oh yeah? You think you're a good girl? Now we're in Rocky Mountain National Park, whoop, 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 which is great because that's the only way we can get to our campsite. But I'm really excited to see some of these crazy mountain views.
Wow. It's absolutely beautiful.
It's crazy. Honestly, really mind blown right now, aren't you?
It's absolutely beautiful.
Like, I've never seen mountains like this before. Like, this is not my first time in Colorado, but it's my first time in Rocky Mountain National Park. And it's just like insane. It's crazy. Oh my God, it's a moose, you guys. Oh my God. Just cross that off the dang bucket list. Oh, you're good, girl. We're stopping, honey. I'm trying to get a good shot of these
Do you want me to pull over?
moose. No, don't pull over. It's way too crowded.
Oh, there's a
my
baby.
God,
There's
it's
a
a
baby.
baby. Okay, pull over. Well, I don't think there's room.
Yeah, look, there's
Okay,
a whole...
okay, I'm sorry. I'm just freaking out. I'm freaking out. Okay, I gotta get it together. Y'all don't even know. This is one of my bucket list things. Oh my God, this is what I wanted to see.
You wanna... The little baby. No.
There's the sun. It is so orange.
We're so stoked about our campsite tonight. I know you guys probably can't hear me over the van, but it's just so beautiful here. This is William Ford Reservoir, and as always, guys, if you're curious about where we're camping at and maybe you want to check the place out yourself, just look in the description. I'll put a free campsites link or whatever link, and if I don't, then comment and yell at me and I'll give it to you. So, yeah.
I feel like today's one of those days that just like really makes van life like worth the stress, because there is stress. Like, I'm not gonna pretend like there's not.
Like it's all hunky-dory.
It's not all hunky-dory, but it's like when you get to come home to like a view like this after seeing like bucket list things, it's like, I feel like gratitude is not a big enough word to like describe the way I'm feeling, you know what I mean? Because it's just, my dogs are crying. They're not feeling very grateful. Anyway, that's all. I guess that's all I really wanted to say, but this is probably going to be it for tonight. My goodness, we're pulled up here on this grass. We're fighting the bugs already.
Yeah. Bust out that repellent.
So we will pick you guys. Excuse me, I'm trying to do an outro.
Sorry, I'm just getting made up.
We'll see you in the morning.
So yeah, guys, whoa, my hair looks crazy. We woke up this morning freezing, absolutely freezing. I think it got down to 38 or 39 last night, which is the coldest it's been. So I got up, cranked up the diesel heater. For a minute, I didn't think the heater was gonna start because it just like kept pumping fuel, like probably 2 to 3 times longer than it usually does. But I think it probably just has to do with the fact that we haven't ran the heater all summer yet. And a lot of people say to make sure you turn on your heater at least once in the summer and run it on full blast for a bit, just to keep things fresh, I guess. So try to keep that in mind next season for sure. Are you struggling, Sid?
Oh my god. And we're gonna be on the road for like 4 hours today. So we're trying to give the pups plenty of time to explore. We've been seeing chipmunks everywhere and Dexter wants to rip them apart. Anyway, regardless, they're like super cute. So I'm gonna make breakfast and then we're gonna pack up and head out.
No Dexter's playtime. Look how disgusting his toy is. It's so gross. It says don't talk about my toy. Don't talk about my toy. No. No.
We should get to our new campsite around like 4:15, right? Something like that.
It says 4:20 now.
Or 4:20. So we're gonna be on the road.
All right, friends, that's where we're gonna leave you off on this one. If you've enjoyed following along our journey, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.